Load heavy bones onto wooden sleds.
Separate clean, dense sections from cracked pieces.
Scrub dirt and tissue remnants off surfaces. Strike along natural seams to fragment bone. Pack sorted segments tightly into crate. Lift crates onto flatbed trucks.
Monitor load stability during drive.
Hook crates to overhead hoist. Scan weights and check manifests.
Tip crates onto receiving belt. Blast away remaining debris with jets.
Direct larger pieces to separate chute.
Feed bone segments into crusher. Jaw. Monitor flow through hammer mill.
Remove ferrous debris from stream.
Adjust airflow for density split.
Feed milled bone into kiln inlet. Spread ash evenly for rapid cooling. Charge ash into grinding chamber.
Guide powder across mesh screens. Main spillage.
Direct flow into main silo line.
Pull sample for lab testing. Pulled sample for lab testing.
Monitor level indicators on silos. Measure precise quantity for me. Load abrasive base into mixer.
Pump liquids into blending vat.
Start low-speed agitation cycle.
Sprinkle thickeners gradually. Engage homogenizer for uniformity. Meter active ingredients carefully.
Add mint flavor oils drop by drop.
Maintain vacuum while blending fully.
Test paste thickness on probe.
Add neutralizer in small increments.
Verify white uniformity visually.
Pump finished paste to search tank.
Keep paste moving gently.
Collect final approval samples.
Flush lines thoroughly with hot water. Align empty tubes in feeder.
Position caps onto tube necks.
Crimp and heat seal tube bottoms.
Dispense exact paste volume.
Crimp and heat seal tube bottoms.
Scan each tube for imperfections.
Apply batch codes cleanly.
Stack cartons into master cases.
Scan each pack for tracking. Allow packs to accumulate evenly.
Close retail boxes securely.
Squeeze sample tube to verify flow.
Straighten any shifted cartons.
Re-inspect seal integrity closely.
Display finished tubes for approval.
Place cases in interlocking pattern.
Apply shrink film and heat tunnel.
Pass cases through detector field.
Verify case weights match spec.
Seal cases with industrial tape.
Position pallet in designated rack.
Secure trailer doors shut.
Tighten straps across load. Verify pallet positions visually.
Stage multiple pallets for shipment.
Drive pallet into trailer bay. Prepare selected pallets for dispatch.
Conduct last visual integrity check.
Update system with dispatch scan.
Retrieve pallet from upper rack.
Coordinate truck loading sequence.
Monitor stored pallets regularly.
Release trailer for final delivery.